Pwede nyo bang ipaliwanag yung naging proseso, no? Dahil base sa testimonya ni Acosta, ni Ginang Acosta at sa inyo, yung testimonya nyo, from December 2022 to September 2023, a total of 122 million pesos in cash was distributed to perhaps hundreds of informants after doing surveillance work, was given rewards, and they purchased medicines. Tama po?
Based on the information that was shared to me by the security officer,
That's
sir.
correct. Yun yung nangyari.
Based on the information, sir.
Bakit gamot? Would you know?
Sir, I would not know, sir, but although based on the information that was shared to me by the security officer, those were parang yun po yung representation or yun daw po yung inilapit ng mga informants or agents that they needed at the time.
Bilang reward.
Yes, as a
Pero
form
pera
of-
ang binigay, sabi ninyo. No?
Yes, sir.
Pero
Based-
hindi nyo alam kung talagang gamot ang binili.
I would
Dahil-
have no idea, sir, on the implementation, sir.
Dahil walang resibo. Acknowledgement receipt meron.
Acknowledgement receipt, sir.
You were head of the BA, the BAC, no? Bids and Awards.
Bids and awards.
So
committee,
familiar
sir.
ka, pagka regular purchases, dapat may bidding ang medicines.
Correct, sir.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, kung yun ang pinaliwanag sa'yo, sa loob ng 9 na buwan, hindi mo ba tinanong o hindi mo ba sinita na dapat pagka medicines, dapat bidding? Kasi ako ang head ng Bids and Awards. Alam ko yan eh.
Sir, I was only made aware of the concern regarding the medicines and food supplies, sir, when the AOM, when we received the AOM, which was around October of 2023, sir. So that was parang almost 9 months after the 2022 na implementation for the confidential funds.
Okay. So, hindi mo alam kung bakit gamot, no? Sinabi lang sa'yo, no? Pero bilang in charge ng financial services, yun na nga, hindi mo rin talaga alam kung yung 122 million ay gamot ang binili.
For that purpose, sir, I would have no personal
Yes.
knowledge, sir.
At sa usapin naman ng supplies, sabi, purchase of supplies. Anong supplies yun? Would you know?
I do not know of, I'm not familiar, sir, kung ano po yung mga supplies na
So
ni-request.
hindi mo
po,
rin
sir.
alam na yung 112 million pesos worth of goods. Anong goods yun?
Again, sir, I would have no personal knowledge, sir, on the specifics of the supplies, sir.
You know, you have 2 master's degrees. You're a graduate of Ateneo. Would you consider this usual?
As far as sa
I
pagkaka...
mean, now that you know, di ba sabi nga nila, hindsight, 2020. Vision is always 2020 in hindsight. So ganitong, para sa surveillance, binigyan ng gamot na 122 million, yung mga informant, sila na lang daw ang bibili ng gamot. Is this usual? In terms of using government funds? And
Based-
you being a BAC head?
Based on my understanding po, sir, at saka sa pagkakaintindi ko po, sir, it went through the process that is allowable by law.
So
yun-
it's usual for you. It's
Um,
usual. That's just my question. Do you find this usual? And you say yes or no. So you find this process na medicines ang binibigay bilang reward sa mga informant, pero hindi medicines, pera, sila bibili ng medicines, 122 million in a period of 9 months. For you, that's usual.
Kung sa pagkakaintindi ko po, sir, and based po sa understanding ko po sa JMC, sir, I would say so, sir.
Okay.